Today we're going to look at how to solve a question that has a word problem that has graphing aspects of it. So when Miss Smith hits a golf ball on the moon, it has a vertical speed of 38 meters per second and its height in h in meters after and t in seconds can be modeled in the equation h plus h 36t minus t squared. Okay, now the first question that we are asked is, what is the maximum height of the golf ball, and how long does it take to reach this height? First, we find and write the equation. So the equation is h equals 36t minus 2t squared. Okay, then because maximum is the key word, we now know we have to put the equation into vertex form. So vertex form of the equation is in standard form. So to put standard form equation into vertex form, we simply factor to isolate the t value, which is 2. We factor 2 to get negative 2 on the outside. Then we add b over 2 to the power of 2 in brackets and subtract outside to balance it. And when we take it out of the brackets, we have to multiply by negative 2 so that it's equal. And then we simplify to get h equals 2 negative 2 brackets t squared minus 18t plus 81 plus 162. So now if we look 18 plus 81, we have to find the number that both adds and multiplies to that, and that would be negative 9. So we can replace 18t and 8 with negative 9. So h equals negative 2t minus 9 squared plus 162. So therefore, the vertex is here. As we can see, the vertex is 9 and 162. So therefore, the vertex is 9, 162. Time to reach, because that is how much, that's the x value, and height because that is the y value. Alright, now we're going to look at the second one. So Miss Smith hits a golf ball on the moon, 38 meters per second. Now we can look at how long does the golf ball in the air. So to solve this question, we'll have to find the zeros, because the last zero is the number of time it takes to reach the ground. So first we set h as 0, because h is y, so to find x, we have to set h as 0. H equals 36t minus 2t squared. Then we can factor to get this. Then we can find what the zeros are, and therefore t is the number of time it stays in the air. So it stays in the air for 18 seconds. Now we can look at see how long after it hit is the golf ball at the height of 23 meters. Now we set h as 22 meters, and then we put it into the formula. And after we do doing that, we simplify, then we factor the values, and then we receive t equals 18. So it has a height of 15 meters and 1 second when it is at 15 meters. So then we can graph. So the first graph is this, as you can see. It's very big, and it's not really good. Now, alternatively, we could set u as 5. That way we can graph it like this. It goes up to 9, 160. That's its vertex, as we saw before. And its line, where it stays at 22, is over here. And that's the question. Alright.